Hello everyone. What I have today is the Abus model XP10. There's our keyway. Pretty intimidating looking warding, but it's actually a really easy pick. We'll get it picked, I'll take it apart, show you what's inside. Alright, we'll start with this hook in 25 thousandths from Rare Element Lockpicks. A little click off of 4, nothing on 5. A little click off of 1. Alright, now we're in a false set. And open, but it has tried to keep my pick. Alright, now we'll turn the camera this way. I don't have a key, so I'm going to have to be careful gutting it, so I don't have to end up picking it twice. Alright, I think I can just grab that C-clip off. Perfect. I have a bigger one. Almost screwed the pooch on that one. Oh, that's a tight fit. Alright. This looks strange. If you look close, you can see that number 4 is fairly flush and the pin's a different color, so we're going to see what that's all about. I haven't had this lock apart yet. It came to me like that. Alright, pin 1, 2, 3 is being shy. Come on, buddy. There we go. Now 4. Okay, that's odd. Come back to that in just a moment. But whoever reassembled this had the driver pin and the key pin in the core for pin 4. Never seen anything like that before. Pull that shim out. It's really weird. Let me get these key pins turned the right way. Bear with my OCD here for a minute. Alright, pin 1 is a standard pin. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a standard. Pin 4, of course, is empty. I was kind of expecting that. Pin 5 is a little double-ended T-pin Right, all these springs seem to be the same length, so we'll just dump them right there. See if I can get you a close-up of these pins. So we got standard spool, and this little guy. I'm gonna put those down for a moment. There we go. So that's what I had to touch there at the end once we were in our false set. And I just barely had to touch it to get the open. But yeah, that was very strange finding the keypin and the driver in the core with no driver pin in the Bible. Very, very odd. Anyway, everybody, this is the Avis XP10, and hope you all have a great day. Now let me get this lock reassembled correctly.